SpongeBob Squarepants. Spend the day flipping patties, catching jellyfish, or hanging out at Lagoon with the SpongeBob pillow pet, everyone's favorite friend who lives in a pineapple under the sea. Comforting companion. Pillow pets are an ideal naptime companion. They're a super soft plush pillow and folding stuffed animal toy, so cuddly you'll never want to put them down. Comfort. This plushie is a pal by day, then unfasten its belly to make a pillow by night. Comfortable travel friend for any child on road trips, airplanes. Also use as boy-girl bedroom decoration. Best buddy. Children of all ages will love this original toy for play as a large pillow for reading, watching television, studying, and sleepy nap time. Youth love to read with this cozy creature. Top reviews from the United States. My 4Yo's new best friend. SpongeBob is so soft and cuddly. So bright and happy. My 4Yo is in love with and has been inseparable from his pillow pet. It's made well that it withstands a wee rough housing. I'll give it at least a year before a limb is loved off.